Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make some mini conversation hearts out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a small ball of pastel blue clay, but you could use any colour that you'd like. And I'm rolling that out between 2 stacks of 3 popsicle sticks. I then have a small heart cookie cutter here, and because it's quite narrow, to make sure that the clay doesn't get stuck inside it, I've gone ahead and dipped it into some cornstarch or cornflour. And I'm cutting out the shape. And removing the excess. And removing it off my work surface. Next up, I have a little set of alphabet stamps, and it has these little sticks to help press the letters in. So I've gone ahead and cut the letters out individually, and I'm going to poke the letters L, U and V, just using the sticks to help me. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of brown. And a tiny little smile. And for the cheeks, I'm pressing on some small balls of light pink. And I'm going to bake it using my package's instructions. In the meantime, to make the red writing, I have some liquid clay softener and a tiny bowl of red clay, and I'm adding a tiny drop of the softener and just mixing the two together until it's like the consistency of paint. Then once the heart has cooled down completely, I'm using a needle tool to fill the letters with the red liquid clay, just doing it really messily, making sure to fill them to the top. And then I'm using a dry cotton bud or Q-tip to remove the excess. I'm then using another cotton bud and dunking it into some nail polish remover and cleaning the baked clay. going to continue that until it looks like this. And finally, I'm baking everything for a second time, just until the lettering has dried. And these are really fun to make. You can mix and match all sorts of colors and fun messages. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!